Hey, it's your boy JB for Fat Lad Food. Today we're making oven dried tomato sauce. First up, we need 200 grams of tomatoes cut in half. Put the tomatoes into a mixing bowl. Next we need 1 onion chopped finely. Next we need 3 garlic cloves chopped finely. Put the onions and garlic into the same mixing bowl as the tomatoes. Add in a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Add in a teaspoon of oregano. Give it all a good mix until thoroughly combined. Then put your oven on at 150 degrees Celsius and cook for 1 hour. When cooked, add the tomato mixture into a liquidizer. Then add in half a tin of tomatoes. Add in half a tin of chicken stock, or if you're a vegetarian, use vegetable stock. Add in 1 teaspoon of oregano. Using the liquidizer, blitz it down into a sauce, and when you're ready, reheat it later. As always, follow the hashtag FatLadFood. If you like what we do here, give us a subscribe. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, click that like button.